Hi, everyone. My name is Ayobami. Good day, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, anywhere you're watching me from. I'm Ayobami by name, like I said earlier. I just want to give us a brief story of how my transition journey into tech with 10 analysis was. How I was able to navigate and how I was able to actually become a business analyst with 10 analysis. All right, like I said, I'm just going to give us a brief. I am actually working in a financial institution as an internal auditor. Then I've been looking into like navigating into tech, whereby I've been seeing some self-paced courses you can do on Coursera and some other platform like that. But I actually optioning into getting started with Power BI, which I pay for on Coursera, but I was unable to navigate through it because it was a self-paced platform. There was no one to actually speak with to get more explanation on how to do some of the lecture I was being taught. So it was quite difficult. I lost focus and I gave up. I didn't even finish the program I actually paid for on Coursera. Then one of the like I was just going through Instagram, just browsing through my phone. Then I saw the adverts for 10 analysis. I was actually curious, like, yeah, because we've seen people that do a lot of boot camp, and at the long run, the results people get from it is nothing to write home about. But like, I just gave it a thought, like, yeah, let me give it a trial. So, which I joined like the first, I'll say is like a mentorship section on WhatsApp with them. I listened carefully to what the facilitator was talking about different courses you can do with them to actually be able to navigate smoothly, or let me say transition smoothly into being a tech person. So after attending the mentorship session on WhatsApp, I gave it a thought and I actually joined the February cohort for 2025. And when I got started, we started with the whole data analysis. I picked I optioned in for the course of a business analyst because I thought, yeah, I can deal with that better since I'm coming from let me say a business world kind of. So I optioned into the business analyst course for the February cohort. So we started with the data analysis aspect where we talk about a lot of things, and I noticed that even the Power BI I actually paid for on Coursera was something I can do without stress. But due to the fact that I have no one to actually speak with, no one to actually like liaise with when I have issue, I couldn't go on with the Coursera. But getting through with 10 analysis, it was really smooth. Like I could actually apply the whole lecture and teaching. I did a lot of projects on my own, and I was proud. I was so like okay with the whole lecture. Then we move on to the business analyst part where I gain hands-on experience on being a business analyst, and I can tell you for sure, like I can apply like all what I learned from 10 analysis into the real world. Like, yeah, as a business analyst, I could do a lot of things because there was like someone to speak with. The lecture was smooth and the teaching pace, the way that we were taught, was really okay. There is no there's no hustle, no struggle, no one being put under pressure. So it was really a good one. Your facilitators too, you can liaise with them anytime, any day. So it was really a smooth one for me. Also, I just want to let you know, for those of us that were finding it difficult to actually transition into tech, that tech is the real, like, it's possible. Nothing is impossible for you. I have been there thinking, yeah, it's going to be a very difficult one for me, but like being able to join 10 Analysis, I got that transition like smoothly, because it's not just about lecture. Like, there are a lot of things packed together, or let me say, there are a lot of package for you joining the program. Like, you have mentorship section, you're able to optimize your LinkedIn, and a whole lot of things. And trust me, even before finishing the whole program, I started getting like job like application vacancies from recruiters on LinkedIn, because with 10 Analysis I was able to optimize my LinkedIn, and I was proud of myself. There were a lot of connections I got from optimizing my LinkedIn, and I won't be able to do that without 10 Analysis, because I don't even know like there's something called LinkedIn optimization. All I know is you open an account, or probably put your picture and your work experience, and you move on. But joining the program, the program has been like an eye opener to a lot of things. So I'm actually speaking to people that really wish to move from being maybe a banker to being a tech personnel. That is very possible. You can do it, and doing it with 10 Analysis make it very much easier for you. Like, you get value for money, because my whole I would say the keyword for me in everything I do is getting value for money. And trust me, I got 101% value for money for paying for the program. And there were a lot of things I learned. It's not just about being a tech person. You get mentorship with it. You know how to actually tailor your CV and do a lot of things. It was an eye opener to a lot of things. So I want to implore you, thinking you can do it, like it's not possible for you to be able to transition into tech. That is really possible, and I want you to start now. You start today. I don't want us to keep on like you're procrastinating. I did that, and at the longer, I told myself, if I started this for a very long time, probably I will have go a long way, make a lot of stand being a tech person. But trust me, it's never too late. You can start now. I don't want us to procrastinate about it. We should start the whole journey now, and trust me, it is possible. The thing is, you just getting it started now, and being focused, and that will be all for me. Thank you for listening to this video.